Welcome to DIY Saturday. Here's a really quick and easy one for summer, and it's called Cool Off. So perfect for August if you're going to be outside on a hot day, if you're going to be at the beach, or if you're going to be at a baseball game, wherever you are, or if you're having, some of those hot flashes, whatever it might be. So I'm going to give you two options. These recipes are for a 1 ounce spray bottle. As you can see, my bottle was larger than 1 ounce, so you can adjust the ratios and the amounts accordingly. So in here, I've got 4 drops of, the recipe is 4 drops of peppermint and 1 drop of eucalyptus. Obviously I increased that because of the size of my bottle. And then you fill the rest up with water, just regular water. Or another option is 3 drops of peppermint and 3 drops of lavender. Same thing, fill all the rest all the way to the top with water. Adjust it if your bottle is smaller, if you've got a 1 ounce, or if it's larger. So that's it, so simple. I like this size because I don't have to make it as often, and I can use it, bring it in my purse. And it smells good. I've got the peppermint eucalyptus combo going on here, but either one works. So that's it for today. Super simple DIY. Happy Saturday and stay cool.